Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can convert spreadsheet file into a PDF file in Google Sheets mobile. Alright guys, here I have opened my Google Sheets application on my phone, and the first thing we're going to do is selecting the file that we want to convert. And for example, I'm going to convert this file, so I'm tapping on this file to open the file. Okay, and after the file has been opened, we can click on this three dots button guys on the top right corner of our screen. Click on this three dots button, then there will be some options for us, and we can click on share and export, and just click on save as right here. Then since we want to convert to PDF file, we can click on PDF document. Okay, and just tap on OK. All right, and you have to wait for the process. It's still loading guys. Okay, and now the file has been converted into a PDF file, and this file will be saved on your Google Drive. And if you want to download the file, you can simply click on this download button, then the file will be downloaded. Alright guys, and that's how we can convert spreadsheet file into a PDF file in Google Sheets mobile. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.